Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm doing a little house cleaning here as the year comes to an end on the New York channel. And I discovered several videos from New York City that kind of slipped through the cracks here on the YouTube channel. Not sure why I pulled them to begin with, but I did, and it was most likely because of copyright issues. And back then I didn't know what to do about copyright issues. Now I do, so I cleaned them up a little bit and I polished them, and I'm reintroducing them to the channel. They're going to be mixed amongst the Atlantic City and Las Vegas videos. You're still going to see those, but I wanted to bring these back to the channel, and I thought I'd just bring them back one at a time so you guys can check them out. There will be lots more new New York City videos coming out in 2022. And I just wanted to bring, I think there's 4 or 5 of them. I wanted to bring them back, so I'm going to do that before the year ends. One thing I noticed about all of these videos are that there's no commentary and there's lots of background music, which is why I probably pulled them in the first place. The first video here is on Brookfield Place, which is in downtown Manhattan, directly across from One World Trade Center. This place was pretty new when the Twin Towers was actually standing, and it was heavily damaged during the attacks, but it came back and it looks really good today. And it's a mixed usage property. It's got a lot of restaurants, a lot of shops, office space. There's some homes here and condos and things like that. It's a beautiful mall. It's right on the Hudson River, and I wanted to bring it back to you guys. So here it is, Brookfield Place, one of a couple or several New York City videos that I'm pulling out of the vault that you most likely have never seen before. I hope you enjoy it. There'll be a couple more before the year ends, and lots more new New York City videos coming out in 2022. But again, no worries, lots of Vegas and lots of Atlantic City coming as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.